2015 Ma Long, 2017 Ma Long, 2019 Ma Long, but in 2021 Fan Zhendong, the new era of Fan Zhendong has come. It is over, there's no tomorrow schedule. Thank you Houston for the wonderful WTTC 2021. This week, a world-class table tennis action at George Brown Convention Center in Houston, Texas has come to an end. World table tennis viewers are kept on the edge of their seats as worthy world champions were crowned amid stunning upsets and dramatic table tennis play. For the first time in the tournament's long history, the improbable men's single finalist Trun Morgard stood out as one of the most impressive players. His coach Stellan Benston, a former world champion and the first Sweden to win the men's single title at the World Table Tennis Championship in 1971, paved the way for the 19-year-old adolescents. On his journey to the finals in Houston, Morgard had a remarkable run, defeating such notables such as Ahmed Saleh, Zhang Qiyuan, Patrick Franziska, Lim Jong-hoon, Quarry Aruna, and Timo Boll. 77th-ranked Trun Morgard took against world number 1 Fan Zhendong in a match dubbed the David vs Goliath duel. Nevertheless, Fan outplayed the young Swede and romped to a 4-0 triumph in straight games 11-6, 11-9, 11-7, 11-8. He has been preparing for this moment for a long time, and he well deserved the win. His style has evolved from pure power and fierce attack to precise control and more versatile in order to beat Ma Long. Now, there are so many players playing like Fan Zhendong a few years ago, but now he has come to a new level. Big congrats and enjoy the winning and be safe. Being patient for the last 6 years, being second to Ma Long, to finally win the World Championships. Now, go out and get the gold medal in Paris 2024 and you will be a Grand Slam champion. Or get the 2023 World and 2028 LA Olympics gold alongside with 2024 and you will be the double Grand Slam champion like Ma Long. The 2020s belong to you just like the 2010s belong to Ma Long. Super performance by Fan Zhendong. He really deserved the world champion title. What a deserving champion Fan Zhendong showed maturity and well-thought play in this match against a very promising young talent. Couldn't be happier for Fan, who cements his name as one of the greatest in this game with this title. Congratulations, Fan Zhendong. Let's give everyone an overview of the championship. Men's single champion Fan Zhendong. Fan Zhendong became the 35th men's single champion in the history of the World Table Tennis Championships. Fan Zhendong won the 21st World Table Tennis Championships men's single signed brands group for the Chinese team. Fan Zhendong helped the Chinese team achieve 9 consecutive men's single championships in the World Table Tennis Champion.
首先我觉得还是非常开心吧。然后，这次其实过程也是自己觉得还是挺艰难也挺煎熬的。最后其实能够获得这个冠军，我觉得对自己这种不管是信心还是这种各个方面吧，我觉得肯定都会有一个提升。所以也希望自己能够通过这个冠军能够继续的能够有一个更高的这种提高一个境界吧，我觉得。嗯，应该是15年吧，我觉得应该是在苏州的时候。然后其实我觉得很多时候，不同的年龄、不同的状态，对比赛的这种阅读或者感受可也会不一样。其实可能通过这些比赛，或者是通过这些输输赢赢，其实我觉得自己是能够有一些成长吧，或者是能够有更多的经历，然后让自己在更大的比赛中有更多的这种力量的支撑嘛。所以我觉得，其实现在自己对于比赛的这种看法、认识，可能也会比上一个周期，包括那个时候会更加的全面，更加的能够嗯就是我觉得更加能够读懂一些吧。我觉得，所以那个时候可能确实是会有这样的感觉，但是我觉得也正是有那样的经历吧，然后让自己现在能够有更多的这种力量也好，或者这种进步也好，去支撑自己现在在场上的这种发挥跟这种比赛的这种感觉吧。其实我觉得呃上一个周期自己更多的很多时候并没有想的那么透吧。我觉得有的时候还是会急于去通过某一个比赛或者某一个可能大家都关注的比赛，想去证明自己，或者想去呃做到一个什么样，所以可能往往忽略了很多中间的这种细节，或者自己先要去做到，才有可能去获得这样的结果的这种先后顺序吧。然后其实可能通过东京以后，自己可能单打上没有完全的能够做到自己的目标，但是团体跟队友跟球队，自己很有戏成为这其中的一份子，也获得了奥运冠军。我觉得自己在打比赛或者在面对比赛的时候，其实跟原来这种心态包括看法都会有不一样的这种解读吧。所以我觉得现在自己打比赛，相对就是像自己说的，首先不会去关注某一个比赛，然后再一个，我觉得永远要保持一个冲击冠军这种心态吧。我觉得，觉得这种呃永远都不敢说吧，或者说也不是说的事儿。我觉得更多的其实是呃去。更多其实去做，或者是去用行动去努力去做到这个事儿吧。因为其实每一次的比赛都会有不同的挑战，不能说一次成功或者以后就会觉得应该怎么样。我觉得没有事情是应该的，很多东西还是需要自己先去做吧。当然，这是我自己的一个很想去达到的一个目标吧。就今天可能第一次拿起来吧，还不是特别熟悉，所以奖杯盖儿都掉了。但我觉得就像后来也是下来也跟刘主席也沟通，他说可能再熟悉熟悉，可能就会好一点吧。
因为上面其实都有刘主席的名字啊，然后也写了马宁啊、王浩啊，
嗯，其实这个杯我觉得，还是非常有分量的吧。其实就像我刚才说的，也希望通过这样比赛的一个冠军，能够让自己，首先从这种分量上提升一个层次吧，然后再一个从自己这种思想上也能够借着这个机会再有一个比较好的这样一个进步也好，或者这样一个提升也好吧。我觉得首先现在可能不管是赛事体系还是赛事这种模式，都会有很多这种全新的改变，包括这种尝试吧。我觉得对运动员来说，很多都是新鲜的，也是很好玩、很期待的。但是作为运动员来说，比赛本身 这样它是不会改变的。然后只要你对这个比赛有取胜的欲望，有想去冲击冠军的这种想法，你对比赛就会全力以赴，然后去拿出自己最好的这种竞技状态，去跟所有的对手去比拼、去对抗吧。所以说，对于我来说也是非常期待接下来在新加坡的这个世界杯决赛。我觉得首先非常开心吧。其实这次在休斯顿世锦赛也是感受到了很多球迷，包括很多中国球迷对我这样的喜爱，包括支持所以这次到了新加坡，也希望大家能够继续支持我吧，包括能够来到现场为我加油。其实大家这种鼓励跟支持我是能够感受到的，然后也谢谢大家一直关注乒乓球，喜爱乒乓球。